Want to move Amazon Alexa from one device to another? Watch this, and you'll learn how to switch devices easily without messing up your smart home. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to disconnect Alexa from your old device and set it up on the new one. So let's jump right in. Method 1. Using the Alexa app. Open up the Alexa app on your phone. Tap the device's icon at the bottom. It looks like a bulb light icon. Now select the device you want to remove Alexa from. Then tap on the settings from the top right. Scroll down a little bit. Tap Deregister. Confirm your choice by tapping Deregister again on the pop-up. Method 2. Factory resetting the device. Factory resetting will also remove the device from your Amazon account. To do that, look at your Alexa device. Here you can see the volume down and the microphone off button. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device. Hold for 20 seconds. Light ring off and then back on in orange. This indicates that the reset process has begun and your device is now in setup mode. Now let's set up a new device. Open the Amazon Alexa app. Now make sure to plug in your Alexa device. Tap on the More icon below. Now tap the plus icon from the top. Then tap Device. Next, tap the Amazon Echo. After that, tap Echo, Echo Dot, Echo Pop. Now press the dot button on your Alexa device to turn the orange light on. Then follow the on-screen instructions to connect your device to your Wi-Fi network. Once your device is set up, take some time to explore the app. Connect smart home devices, set up routines, manage alarms and timers, and many more features. That's how you disconnect Alexa from your old devices and connect it to a new one. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye.